Hello, dear students. How are you? I hope you all are safe at home. Dear students, today I will teach you chapter 6 Advertising. In this chapter, I will teach you advertising and the media, commercial advertising, social advertising, and consumerism. First of all, you will read the chapter, then only you can understand the video. Right, students? So, the power of advertisement. What is the power of advertisement? The activity of driving attention of prospective customers to a product or service is called advertising. The information conveyed to the customers can be a written message, audio or video, which is known as advertisement. It is a public promotion of some product or service. The service of product provider is known as the advertiser. The advertisers are various channels of media such as newspapers, magazines, radio, television, and roadside hoardings to grab the attention of customers, persuading them to buy their products. Means one, if anyone again and again see the same poster, that poster is too attractive, or listen any audio or video that is also too much attractive, he will be bound to purchase the product. Okay, advertisements are meant to promote positive attributes of the product such as quality, quantity, price, or unique features. The main aim of advertising is to promote a brand. Brand means the identity of the product. A brand is identifiable through a name, sign, symbol, logo, or term which helps in differentiating it from others identical products. For example, there are different brands of cars. The only way of differentiate one car from the other is its brand name only, right? The image and reputation of a product is directly linked to its brand, right? Now, the basic aims of advertisement. What are the basic aims? To create a demand. Demand is there in society or not, don't matter, they create, है ना, for a new product. To convince the consumer, consumer means customer, we are the consumers, है ना, to buy a particular product or service, right? To communicate information about a particular product, idea, or service to the consumer, right? In that advertisement, they are communicating, they are telling us, है ना, to show that a product is better than its competitors. Means which product is showing in the advertisement that is better, than other products. Means any soap is there or any shampoo is there which they are showing, it can be anything, that is better than another brands, to retain or bring back consumers who have switched brands, right? Advertising can reach a large market and a wide audience living in different parts of the country or even in distant lands. Means just I told you there are many type of mediums, radio and television, right? Roadside posters are there, hoardings are there. In every part of the country, advertisers can advertise their product, right, to grab the attention of the consumers, right? Now see, this is an advertisement. You will have to make a A3 size chart. On that you will make a colorful advertisement of any product, right? And you will send me. Okay. Advertising and the media. What is the relation with advertising and the media? Advertising is possible through different kinds of media. Means if we want to advertise, we need a media, any kind of media. However, the selection of the appropriate type of media depends on various factors. So many factors are there, right? Money is there. Most important is money. These include the size of the audience or the number of people who will read or listen or view the advertisement. Means they target people. Means how much people they want to target, right? How much consumers they want to target. Media reach or the total number of people or household exposed at least once to a medium during a given period, right? To target the target market or the socio-economic age group for which a particular product is made, right? Whether that product is for children or for women or for old people or for only men, right? They target this also. The cost of the advertisement, which is most important, right? For example, the advertisement of a new restaurant in your locality would appear on hoardings. Hoardings, big hoardings you can see in your city. Any shop is opening, any showroom is opening there, any restaurant is opening there in your city. So hoardings they put there at traffic intersections nearby rather than on a social website on the internet. Nowadays it is too much famous. On Facebook they put, on Insta they put their advertisements. Let us know, see the role of different types of media in advertisement. First of all, newspaper. Newspaper we read many times. We can see many types of advertisement also there. So newspapers in dailies in regional languages like Anand Bazar Patrika in Bengali or Malayala Manorama in Malayalam can have a great impact among the readers of these languages. But in our area, which newspapers are there? Haribhumi is there. Which is there? Dainik Jagaran, Now Bharat Times, English newspaper, and one more, the Hindu. Right? Many newspapers are there. And in that, advertisements also there. So many advertisements are also there. What is the advantage to publish an advertisement in newspapers? Newspapers have a wide circulation and reach large number of people, means many people read advertisement. Now e-newspapers are there, है ना, in everyone's phone newspapers have. Cost of advertising is relatively low because of large scale publication, right? Many people are using, that's why low price, है ना. Newspapers are published in many different regional languages. Means if anybody can't read English or Hindi, है ना, in their languages also newspapers are publishing in Punjabi, Malaya, and in Marathi. How many states are there? Different languages also there, and newspapers also publishing, right? So many people can read them. Now what is the limitations? What are the limitations of newspapers? Everything has limitation, so limitations also. People read newspaper mainly for news, not for advertisement, right? So they pay little attention to the advertisements in newspapers. Newspapers do not reach those who cannot read or write. Some people cannot read, some why? Many people cannot read, है ना, cannot write even. So that no use for them of newspapers. Now about magazines. Magazines are also an important medium for advertisement. How? Magazines can be read at leisure or read a number of times. कितनी बार भी पढ़ो magazines को. How many times we are reading magazines, है ना? It is with us only. They are colorful. They have advertisements also there, recipes also there, many things also there in magazines. Grey Shobha is there. So many are there, है ना? And hence have more appeal. Now limitations. Advertisement in magazines is costlier. Magazines are costlier than newspapers. The number of people who read magazines is less than those who read newspapers. Means less people reads newspaper, but mostly people read only, less people reads magazines, but mostly people reads newspaper only, right? Radio Mirchi is there, popular private FM radio station. FM you read, FM you listen, sometimes on radio. Radio Mirchi is private FM radio station in India. It is owned by the Entertainment Network India Limited, which is one of the subsidiaries of the Times Group. Radio Mirchi has a presence in more than 33 cities and 7 metros. Radio Mirchi is being touted as the only radio channel. Radio Mirchi is a type of radio channel on radio that entertains, that is very much popular and entertains a lot, and advertisement also people listen from there, right? Now radio, about radio. This is also a medium of advertisement. Radio has been a very popular medium for advertisers for more than 4 decades, right? How it is beneficial, how it is popular, है ना? The people who cannot read or write, they can listen, है ना? They can listen on radio, and it reaches maximum audience even in remote areas, remotest area of the country. Even those who cannot read and write understand the advertisement. Increase in the number of radio stations, means number of radio stations are increasing, has also increased its reach. Now limitations also there. Right, radio can only be heard, cannot be seen. है ना? Listeners cannot go back to the ads, means again they cannot see, only one, again they cannot listen, only once only they can listen, understand or not understand. Right, now about television. Television also a media of advertisement. So many advertisements are coming on television only, है ना? We attract from television. Television has proven to be the most effective media of advertisement since the last decade of 20th century. Children and adults alike are fascinated by TV commercials. Right? Latest fashion we can see in advertisement, latest product we can see in television. And mostly people go in market, give me that paste, give me that cream, which I've seen in television, right? So mostly people impressed from advertisements given by television, right? Now advantages. Television advertisement have great audio visual appeal, है ना? Effective is more effective, means it is more effective. It caters to a wider audience, means mostly people see television. Now limitations. Everything has a limitation. So television also, the cost of television advertisement is very high, sometimes in crores, right? The brand it is promoted by a celebrity, it can be cost even more, है ना? If any celebrity is coming in that advertisement, so price is more, है ना? Television advertisement do not have a focused target group. Okay, limited length of exposure or duration of most of the ads is only 30 seconds. Means in 30 seconds is limitation. In 30 seconds they have to tell their talk, which limits the amount of information only can communicate. Only one can communicate. Okay. Now effects of advertisement. Right. What are the effects of, or we can say benefits also. Some benefits also, effects I am telling you, some benefits also I will tell you. Right, of advertisement. Benefits is there, advantages of advertisement. Advertisement generally influenced our social and cultural lives. Our taste, lifestyle and even attitude are influenced by advertisement. In advertisement we can see which the advertiser to which group they are targeting. They will show according to that only, right? The product we buy, the place we go to buy them, and we eat and drink are determined to a large extent by advertisement. Means which we are seeing in television and we are going to buy also. So it gives a large extent to the advertisement. Advertisement is also a medium which conveys the qualities and differentiate a product from so many others in the market. In advertisement what they are saying? They are telling the actual quality, actual quantity, actual difference, how they are different from other products. Advertisement target our personal emotions, means they directly attack on our emotions, right? means we will appeal. It's the advertisements are appealing, है ना, and at once people buy, है ना. They direct attack on the emotions, है ना, create awareness, inspire us, and at times even influence the ways in which we live our lives or think about our family members and friends. Right? Take the example of advertisement of two wasting powders, washing powders. Now, so many advertisements are there of washing powders are there. Na? People see there that this is a top load, this washing machine powder is for top load machine, this is for front load, and this for semi, and this for that, and this for that, this for. So people, they show and people buy. Right? Now advantages of advertising. What are the benefits of advertising? Is not just about increasing sales. It has many other benefits. Here are in points, I will tell you in headings. Okay. Number 1, the biggest benefit is market expansion. It extends the market or manufacturer. It explores new markets and helps in retaining the existing customers. It helps in informing the customer living in the remote areas. Right? Second one is fight competition. Advertising gives a tough fight to the competitors in the market. It is a way of showing the presence of a company in the market. Here, continuous advertising is vital to save the company from its competitors. Next benefit is promotes goodwill. Advertising helps in enhancing the goodwill of the manufacturer. Continuous advertising and quality products fetch loyal customers and good reputationally. Next is employment opportunities. It is giving opportunities also. Advertising market has expanded in past few decades. This is turn has generated employment opportunities for ad script writers, photographers, voice-over artists, models, actors, singers, musicians, cartoonists, visual effects artists, and people working in ad agencies. So it also gives employment. Now drawbacks of what are the disadvantages of advertisement. Right? Advertisements are expensive, means too much costly. Sometimes people need crores of rupees to show the advertisement. And radio, once only people can listen. Television, everybody is not having. Newspaper, every people cannot read. Only large companies with big budget can make advertisement. Not only small manufacturers but even small shops in a neighborhood and local markets have suffered due to the new trend of buying packages item. Means what people will see on TV, they will ask that thing only on the shop. So nearby small companies, they will suffer. With the companies which they are not able to give money for advertisement, they will suffer. Right? Advertisement have negative effects on those who cannot afford buy certain brands. Everybody cannot buy. It tends to make people feel inferior. Now commercial advertising. What are commercial advertisement? Commercial advertising aims at promoting goods and services. The idea is to turn audience into buyers that will fetch profit to the manufacturer of the product. These advertisements are mainly for consumer goods such as daily products, food products, electronics, clothes, footwears, vacation packages, etc. Commercial advertisement is vast and uses a variety of media channels such as radio, television, internet, magazines, journals, pamphlets, hoardings, banners, bus stop, benches, subways, platforms, and so on. Right. Now about social advertisement. What are social advertisement? The advertisement which motive is not for profit, only social awareness. Non-commercial, we can say it non-commercial also. Advertisement aims to provide valuable information to the public and is not driven by profit motives. It is done primarily to motivate people to act or become part of something with social cause. For instance, Sarv Shiksha Abhiyan is there, Pulse Polio campaign, and a family planning and save environment. Like this, right? Now about political advertisement. Political advertisement is mainly done during the time of elections by the parties contesting elections, right? Its main aim is to get public votes for or promote a set of policies and ideas held by the party. Such kind of advertising is aggressive and reason centric. It is seen in the form of posters, radio messages, television ads, pamphlets, wall writings, and banners. Right. Now consumerism. What is consumerism? The protection of the rights and interest of the consumer is called consumerism. Right. It is a movement of or policy which aims at regulating the quality and standard of product or service in the interest of the buyers of consumer. Consumerism seeks to protect the consumer with regards of the price, quality, and advertisement of products who claims are not correct. Means which quality, quantity, price they are showing on TV, that should be same on the shop also. Right? Consumer can challenge. Customer can challenge. Right? If it is not same. Right? Where he will challenge? In court. Consumer court he can challenge. Right? The goods that we buy are sometimes not measured or weighted correctly. Sometimes they weigh less things. At times they are of poor quality. Quality is very much poor, not good. Or duplicate items are sold. Adulterate food products like oil, spices, ghee, milk, powder or dal can cause health hazards. Sometimes if these things are not good of good quality, they can harm us, they can harm our health. Medicines and other products are sold beyond their expiry dates, create health problems for consumers. So every customer should be very smart. He or she should see all these things. Whenever we are buying anything, we should see we must see expiry date. Okay, we should buy fresh date products. Okay, consumer protection. Everyone is everybody is a consumer in the sense that we pay for a product or service and use or consume it. Means everyone are consumers, means everyone is consuming anything. Not all products, some products we are consuming, है ना. Paste we are doing, soap we are using, shampoo we are using, है ना, and many eatables we are eating, we are consuming, means we are buying and eating, we are using it, it means consuming. Okay. Therefore, we must be aware of the protection of consumers' interest and also the rights and duties of consumers. Means we must know if the product is not good quality as said in advertisement, and any problem is there, what we can do if shopkeeper is not taking back, company is not listening, so we should know the ways what we should do, how we can give a lesson to that particular company. In order to protect the interest of the consumer, the government has enacted a law. एक गवर्नमेंट का लॉ है, क्या बोलेंगे उसको, द कंज्यूमर प्रोटेक्शन एक्ट, when it is made in 1986. This act provides for setting up the consumer courts at the national, state and district levels. Right? Everywhere these courts are there. And around more than 500 district consumers courts in India at present now. We can go there. You know, these are not costly. Only few rupees they take and they fight for us. These courts look into the grievances and complaints of the consumer against traders and manufacturers. Right? So this way they help the consumers. This chapter is over. Right? So dear students, you will do question answers and exercises in your notebook, and you will make one poster also of advertisement which product you like most. Right? And you will send to me. Stay home, stay safe. Bye.